service, we're all done. The guys at Pro Cycles, as I said, really grateful. They actually brought a guy in at about 5 o'clock this morning, and he spent about 10 hours on it today. It's quite a big job. They had to remove the gearbox, you know, and rebuild that. It's part of the recall. So the bike's running really well. Had the service done. All ready for big K's. Before we leave tomorrow morning, early, detailed. Look at that. Showroom. A lot of people think I'm nuts. I wash my bikes and clean them before I ride them. I hate riding a dirty bike. I'm okay when I'm riding it and it gets dirty, but I hate leaving dirty. So anyway, she's in showroom condition. And you know, spending some time cleaning it. I think I was a little bit harsh on this bike, to be honest. It is a beautiful machine, there is no question about it. It's extremely comfortable. Beautiful bike to do the miles on. And yeah, all good. So I made it to the meet point. Look who's here.
I'm here.
That's the special guest. My best mate. Now we're going to have something to eat and we're going to hit the road. This is Jace's bike. What is this, Jace?
R1250 RS.
This thing's pretty new, isn't it? When did you pick this up?
October.
It's the baby version of the... You can see the size difference. He's only a little guy.
Yeah.
Let's go get a coffee. So yeah, now we're heading to Nowra, which is about 2 hours south of Sydney. We're just coming through Shell Harbour now. And the weather's looking pretty good actually. It's a nice climate. It's not too hot. It's got an electric shield, this bike. Look at the windscreen go up and down. How cool is that? And when it's windy or rainy, up it goes. Up here a bit further, we're going to be coming into some awesome twisties and nice bends. You know, as we go around Kiama, the headland. It's quite beautiful actually. So I'll give you a look at that in a sec. Now into the twisties around Kiama. Let's get into it, check it out. Pretty down here. I just love it, absolutely love it. Just beautiful, beautiful greenery. I think because of the recent showers, you know, everything's just so green down here. It's beautiful. It's great to see actually, especially after all the bushfires we just had. You know, it's beautiful, rolling hills and rolling valleys. Oh, here's the police. This is their new fleet of BMWs, look. like you need a 5 Series BMW to pull people over and give them tickets. Well done, Australian government. Great investment. Get the shit out of here. On to the next town. We're going to head down to Nowra and then we're going to head inland from there. It's got some pickup, this bike. This bike's actually a 6-cylinder motor. It's a small 6-cylinder, but still it pulls. And I've got a lot of luggage on. We're fucking lost. I was trying to do this off memory.
From BTU Road.
Hey?
From BTU Road.
Where did I say it pulls you out? Braidwood.
Right? There's a sign there.
Where? Did it say Braidwood?
Yeah.
This way?
No, that way.
What, to the roundabout and go through the other side?
Yeah.
So it was right back there.
Yeah.
All right. Well, he reckons he knows where he's going, so now if we get lost, it's on him. Are you fucking lost?
Yeah, I think you
Fucking knew it. So U-turn time it is. See, like this bike is 450 kilos. No shit, like seriously, it's 450 kilos. It's a really heavy bike, and you saw how nimble it was. Once you hit about 3 kilometers an hour, which is just complete rolling speed or walking speed, the bike can almost just stand on its own. Just amazing feat of engineering, it really is, BMW have done here. This is going to be fucking funny. Yeah. Just, and that's one. No. Oh. No, that's what I mean. There's a tag at the front and a tag at the back.
What the fuck? This shit.
On hand, do I need to fucking dress you? You're tight. Happy?
Let's hit it.
It's always in a rush, let's hit it. Sort of finding this quite beautiful actually. It's amazing. It's a black, burnt to a crisp. And then the regrowth around the black stump. You know, and that's literally in the last 2 months. Absolutely amazing. So we're heading straight into Canberra now. Saying the estimate time of arrival is around about 2 hours, so it's about 4:40 PM. Should be there around about 6:45. drone up here because I want to give you an idea. You can see it, but wait till I pick it up with the drone. It is, like I said, so sad. I suggest get in the car and come for a drive. You know, these communities need to be supported. Come down, stay a night, get out of Sydney for a night. You know, 2 nights, come and spend some money in these places. Just gobsmacked. We're about 30 minutes out of Canberra, coming into the back of Bundaberg, and pretty grey up there. Just smell that rain, you can feel the rain in the air. Fuck, I just spread over. Fucking awesome roadkill. It's looking pretty bad out there, so hopefully it will stay away. Guess we'll find out soon enough. So we're just in Bungendore and we're hoping we'll miss the rain. I just don't know. Looking pretty shit. We might be alright. I don't know, fingers crossed. And we're starving. It's like nearly 7 PM and we haven't eaten since about 11 AM. First thing I've had to eat. We've done about 400 kilometres today. And that's what's happening. How are you feeling, Josh?
A little bit cold, Raptor.
Cold?
A little bit. Fucking starving.
Yeah, we're fucking hungry. Very hungry. Look at the dash on his new bike.
See?
Is that why you bought it? Because of all the tech? Did you actually buy this bike just because of the tech?
Yeah.
Like it didn't actually matter, like it could have been pink and you would have bought it, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember when we were here with the Harleys? Hmm?
Parked over there.
Parked over there where that white car is. We had a photo there with the Harleys one afternoon. We'll get going in a sec. Just got into Canberra and just got a bit of a dumping, but it wasn't too bad. It's good to finally be here. So yeah, all good. Are you fucking playing games again?
Raring.
Raring. Jason's raring.
You
know where you're going, yeah. Fuck yeah. Fucking Snowy Man's Highway. And fucking we get here and suddenly hang on, what the fuck?
Snowy Man's Highway.
You fucking tourist.